banjo, I play the guitar sometimes also, I drink beer, I'm happy with my candy, it's great to be here.
Yeah. Hi there, we're Rise for Gertrude.
Yeah, we're basically a folk pop experimental duo, and we're playing here at the Boogaloo tonight.
And how do you feel about playing at Blue Monday?
How do we feel? Bloody marvellous. Really good.
We're excited.
Yeah.
Very excited.
It's actually like filming. So you can
Let's talk about things. We're going to the pizza. We'll be back shortly.
Does anyone want to marry them?
No. But that means, I mean, there's 4 major tuners, and mostly just capo it for playing a different key. So you know, there's.
I wanted like a kind of Middle Eastern kind of feel, and I actually found I took my banjo, and I started like I taped down all the strings apart from this one, and started doing like slidey things on just the one string, like ding, 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 and it sounded amazing on the banjo. And then I started like tapping that bit as like a drum.
Yeah, you can really whack it. Nobody really uses it that way.
And you know what else you can do? You can get a comb and you like run it along the string, like goes this really kind of ding, 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 ding. It sounds really good, yeah.
I could like serrate my banjo nail or something. That sounds awesome.
Yeah, mind you, you can probably do it with your fingers, like Marilyn.
No, thank you, I'm good. I'm collector, recording.
Are you filming?
It's really, really lovely to see everyone here. I mean that, it's really nice because we put this on every month and when people come down, it's really nice for everyone in the acts. What I would say as well, usually everyone's really attentive, but when the performers are on, if you're going to talk, we just ask if you can talk quietly, just so the performers can, do what they're doing. So I'm going to open up the show. My name is Miri, by the way. I forgot if I said that.
Hi Miri, by the way.
Hello. Also, thank you to Nick Carrick who's doing the sound today for spare room recording. We've been working on some tracks recently. And Tamara from Hailstone Media. We're filming this night and it's actually going out live now, so people are watching from home and we're trying to get a bit more interaction, so I'm going to say hello. Everyone can say hello. Hello everyone from home. So yeah, just going to start off. This is Jen Payne, who's guest guitarist tonight. To shout out words for me to sing. But I'm scared to do it because my brain's all over the place today. But if anyone wants to shout out a word, or if anyone at home wants to message some words for me to sing, and try to sing, does anyone have any words? Apples. Okay. Is there another word? Love. Love. Okay. Apples and love. The doctor said I had a broken heart, so I decided to have some apples, 'cause apples are really good for you. They cleanse the soul, and I don't think I'll love anymore. Does anyone have some words for me? on stage. Someone else to take the guitar.
You might have seen me on some of Blue Monday's videos, making silly noises with my face. I hope to entertain you all tonight by making some more silly noises with my face.
I don't know what to do, and it's just like, I don't know, it's making me feel blue. I'll tell you about my life story. My life story is pretty fucked up. So, my life was good, and then it kind of went like here I am singing, and it just don't mean anything anymore. So we ended up in hospital, and I got my everything failed. So my heart failed, and my liver failed, and my kidneys failed. So I woke up from a coma. It's true, right? I woke up from a coma, and I didn't know what to do. And I got these fingers chopped. Yeah. I don't know
My last word, last word. My last word, last
next Blue Monday is April the 9th. Thank you very much for coming down. Thank you very much for listening to all the acts. And lots of love to everybody. Really appreciate it.